Thank you, Teresa, for that introduction and for getting me here. Now, I'm not used to being in front of people, but because I believe that I have such a great product for the sign industry, I'm going to do my very best to break out of my shell. All right, let's dive into how Signage Details works and how it can help streamline your sign design process. This system was built to simplify your sign shop's job process, starting from design concept, implementing field surveys, obtaining permits, to fabrication, and finally to installing your signs. Professional and novice electrical sign designers will find it invaluable, while fabricators, installers, and permit expediters will find our comprehensive details to be a breath of fresh air. And the nice part about it, it can also be used as a learning tool. Once your Signage Details design is ready, you can download it in the file type that works for your program. All files are available in PDF, CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, EPS, and JPEG. Our universal file formats ensures that you don't have to spend any more money on unnecessary programs. Let's look a little bit more closely at the steps to make your detailed schematic come to life. First, from the home page, go to Shop. Then, step 1 is to choose your sign type, or scroll down and choose your monument dimensions. We'll look at monuments in a moment. After choosing your sign type, as in this example, you choose your face type in step 2. Each iteration process filters out unnecessary selections, enabling you to only see what is available based on your previous selection, making each step easier and easier. Next, choose your face retention for your sign type. A face retention is what keeps the sign face in place, such as trim caps or retainers. Trim capless designs or retainerless for vacuum formed signs are also available. A fabricated reverse channel letter with a halo effect, for example, does not have a separate face, so no retainer or face retention system is needed. Once you have completed these steps, select your resulting image, then you will be ready for more details.
Now you can download your file in the format you picked in the previous step by clicking here. To add to your drawing, locate the file and open it. Next, copy it, then paste it into your drawing. Voila! That's it. Now send it out and move on to your next project.